Hey guys, this is Jacob Bosarge reporting in for Glynn Youth Orchestra. Last week we learned about playing our major scales, and we learned that pattern is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. This week we're going to learn about minor scales. That is a difference from the major scale in the fact that it is 3 notes lower from our major scale. So the key signatures of the two are actually going to be the same. So let's pick a major scale like C major. So our C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So that is no flats, no sharps. So if I want to turn that into a minor scale, that's going to be an A minor scale. So an A minor scale and a C major scale have the same key signature, which is no flats and no sharps. So how do I know this? Well, if I take my root note, which is our first note of the scale, our major scale, which is C major, so that would be C, and then I lower it another note, which is B, and then one more, which is A, that's the start of our minor scale. So if I go down 1, 2, 3 notes, that's on my minor scale. So now all I have to do is start on A and play the same key signature as C major, which is no flats and sharps, until I reach the next A, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and back down. So let's pick another scale. G major. We have 1 sharp in G major, which is F sharp. So if I want to make that the minor version, then I go down, G, F sharp, E. And so G major and E minor have the same key signature. That's all you need to know about playing minor scales. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and happy practicing.